Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Kalodata to find winning products. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for Kalodata. Open the first website that comes up in the list and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, click on the Start Free Trial button and you will be taken to a new page where a bunch of tools will be present. If you click on any one of them, you will be prompted to sign into an account. Just sign in, answer some questions, and then you will be able to start using the tools. Once you are signed in, if you click on the Trending Products button on the right side, you will see a search bar appear on the screen. Simply search for the category you are interested in, and a whole page full of trending products will be displayed. Here, you can get important stats like the revenue generated, the quantity of the items sold, the average price, and more. To get more details about a specific product, click on the product title. You will see that the core metrics are all being displayed, giving you a deeper insight into the product's performance. Additionally, you can view all of the creators who are generating revenue from that specific product and access their marketing videos. This information can help you target the right audience with the right product at the right time to boost your sales. If you get back to the home page of the website, you will be able to get the general section of top products. So you can also get an idea of what products are currently hot and then market them. So that's basically how you can use Kalodata to find winning products. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.